Choose MinIO under Object Storage. MinIO opens with Service, Version, Configuration, and Log tabs. The Version tab lists the available MinIO releases. Select a release to download and install it locally. FlyEnv shows download progress in the release list. The Service tab shows installed releases and their local paths. Open Configuration to inspect the MinIO settings. The Log tab displays startup details and local endpoints. Open MinIO Console in a browser. The console sign-in page is ready for local access. The object browser is available after signing in. Open access keys from the console navigation. Start the visible access key creation workflow. The confirmation dialog displays the new access key details. The access keys view lists the active key. Browse the available buckets page. The IAM Policies page lists built-in policy names. Return to FlyEnv to inspect the installed MinIO releases. The final service view keeps MinIO controls in one place.